Welcome! In front of me is a Google Pixel 9, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen like so to bring out the toggles, and then swipe down once again to extend them. On one of the pages we will find the screen recording toggle. Oh, it was right here. There we go. So once you see the toggle, you can simply tap on it. It brings up this window, start recording, a single app. We can change to entire screen if you want to. It's an additional option that you typically don't get, so you can choose which one you want. And then you can also choose if you're going to be recording devices audio or microphone or both. And obviously if this is toggled off, it's not going to be recording any kind of audio. And then also record touches on the screen, which appear as a semi-transparent grayed out wherever your finger touched the display. Now I'm going to select start recording. This begins a 3-second countdown and then starts recording. Once you're done, pull down the notifications and click on stop. This will then save the screen recording to your Photos application. Skip. And here we're gonna select library, movies, and you can see it right here. And oh, it looks like that's the only place where you can see it, under movies. Now when you tap on it, obviously it starts the playback. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.